In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track changes and comments in Google Docs. By the end, you'll feel confident reviewing what changed in a document, when it changed, and how to keep feedback organized so your team stays in sync. When people talk about tracking changes in Google Docs, there are two key ideas: suggestions, which show proposed edits in line, and the document's version history, which gives you a timeline of edits across the entire file. Today, we'll focus on the version history because it's the most complete way to audit changes over time and see the bigger picture of how your document evolved. To open the full timeline of edits, click on Version History. You'll find it in the File menu under Version History, then see Version History. A panel opens on the right with a list of saved versions, grouped by date and time. This view shows who edited the document and when their edits were saved. Think of it as your safety net and your paper trail. If something looks off or you need to understand how a section changed, Version History is where you verify it. Select any entry in the timeline to preview that moment in your document's life. Google Docs highlights edits in different colors, so you can instantly see what text was added, removed, or reformatted and which collaborator made each change. If you're reviewing a large file, the grouped entries make it easier to jump to major milestones, like the day a big rewrite happened or the moment a key section was added. Version history isn't just about accountability, it's also about confidence. If a draft takes an unexpected turn, you can identify the exact point where it shifted. You'll also notice you can give key versions descriptive names. Labeling important checkpoints, like first draft, approved copy, or final, makes them easier to find later and reduces second guessing. Now let's connect this to comments. Comments are your conversation layer. They capture questions, decisions, and context. While version history shows the what and when, comments clarify the why. As threads get resolved, they disappear from the page to keep things tidy, but the record of those discussions is retained in the document's comment history, so you can always refer back to decisions without cluttering your workspace. To wrap up, remember this simple flow. Click on Version History to review the timeline of edits. Use it to understand who changed what and when, and rely on comments to preserve the reasoning behind those changes. With these tools working together, you'll maintain clarity, protect your work, and keep collaboration smooth from first draft to final.